Good morning everyone! Welcome to our online reading tutorials for children. This is Teacher Lanflor and I made reading videos to share and help children, especially preschoolers and non-readers, develop their reading skills. And for parents who wanted their children learn how to read fast and the easy way. I made at least 20 videos that would last for about 10 to 15 minutes each day, depending upon the lessons. I don't want your children to stay long because you know of their short attention span. We will do it gradually, step by step, with no skip steps. But I will add more reading videos for additional references in the future. So just hit the bell and subscribe to this channel to get notified if new videos come out. I will highly appreciate it. Thank you. Let your children sit comfortably, watch, learn, and enjoy some activities inside. So without further ado, let's begin. Are you ready, kids? Yes, you are. Lessons for today, learn the letters A and B and their sounds. So I want you to follow me using this laser point or pointer that I'm using right now. Let's start. This is letter A. Capital or big letter A and small letter A, and the sound is ah. Say ah. Do you know the song Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? I hope you know the song. Let's sing that song, but we will change the lyrics or the words of the songs into the sound ah. Okay, so just like this. Ah 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 ah. Ah, 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 ah. Now I want you to sing with me. We will follow this music. Ready? Sing. Ah, 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 ah. Ah, 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 ah. Very good. Now, here's how you're going to write letter A. Using your pointing finger, up your pointing finger, we will trace letter A and we will follow the numbers. So, number 1 start here and then let's trace it. 1 going down and then 2 start here and 3. Okay, so let's repeat again. 1, 2, 3. Small letter A, start here. 1, make a curve. 2. Again, 1, 2. Okay, so practice writing letter A on your paper and use this as your guide. Next, let's read the words with pictures with the beginning sound of A. Follow this pointer, sound it first. Begin. A, apple. A, apple. A, ant. A, ant. A, arrow. A, arrow. A, avocado. A, avocado. A, anchor. A, anchor. A, ask. A, ask. Now it's your turn. Follow this pointer, sound it first, begin. Good job! Letter A, A. Next letter is B. Letter B sound as B. Say it, B. It's not ba, it's B. Okay, so let's trace letter B using your pointing finger. Start here, number 1. And then start here, number 2. And then here, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Small letter B, start here. 1, 2. Again. 1, 2. Very good. Now, can you think of any word or object which is the beginning sound of B? B. For example, basket. Like this. The basket is big. B. Basket. And also, B. Big. Now, do you have one in your mind? I want you to say it loud and at the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow, you have audience here cheering for you. Good job. Okay, so let's read the words with the beginning letter B as sound as B. Ready? Begin. B. Bag. B. Bag. B. Bat. B. Bat. B. Band. B. Band. B. Back. B. Back. Now it's your turn. Follow this pointer. Sound it first. Begin. Very good. Letters A and B, when we put them together, we could sound them as A, B, ab, A, B, ab, A, B, ab. Now it's your turn. Sound it first. Okay, next letter B, sound as B. Let's read. B, A, ba. B, A, ba. B, A, ba. Okay, read it. Begin. Alright, good job. So, let's read them again. Ab, ab, ba, ba. Okay, read it. Good job. Now, let's have an activity. Match the beginning sound of the letter with the correct pictures. So, I want you to use your pointing finger and match them. Okay, I'm going to give you a few minutes. Start now. You can pause this video if you need more time. I hope you're done. Let's check. Number 1, A goes to arrow. A, ant. Number 2, B, bat. B, bag. Alright, so I want you to read it. Sound it first. Begin. Alright, so if your answers are all correct, then very good, receive the star. Okay kids, that's all for today. Thank you for your time. Let's meet again here. Our lessons tomorrow. Goodbye and see you tomorrow. God bless you.